Hello! In this video, we're going to show you how to make a project schedule in Excel using a template. First, download the Master Project Schedule template and save it. Click the blank Master Project Schedule tab to open the blank template and enter your project-specific data, including the project title, manager, start date, and end date. Notice the project duration and days field auto-populates based on your project start and end dates. This template provides 4 project phases. Enter each phase's start and end date and the owner of each phase. The duration and days column auto-populates, helping you keep the phases on track. Enter each task's name. Use the template's sample text or add your own. Enter who the task is assigned to and the task's start and end date. Notice the duration and days column auto-populates based on each task's start and end date. Click the status cell for each task and use the drop-down menu to indicate the task status. Use the comments column to enter additional task details. This template also provides a Gantt chart for a visual representation of each task's duration. The color-coded bars auto-populate based on each task's start and end date. If your Gantt chart formatting is too compressed, modify the x-axis. Simply double-click the horizontal axis to open the Format Access customization fields. In the minimum field, enter your project start date. In the maximum field, enter your project's end date. Adjust the date's interval lengths by changing the number in the major field. In this example, we're changing the field to 7 to represent 7 days in a week. And there you have it, a customized project schedule in Excel. Learn how to create a powerful project schedule with Smartsheet for project management.